quick walk around video. Car seems to be in really good condition. Dash is good. Again, believed to be 32,164 original miles. The seats need to be reupholstered, and this needs to be a little vacuumed. Listen to this door. There you go. It's fun with live TV, I guess. There is a little hickey right here. Got another car I want to sell. So if you're interested in this car, I am willing to make a deal. Call me at 940-300-1887 and come out and take it for a spin. I just took it for a spin and it just drives absolutely wonderfully. Numbers matching 1974 Z28.